Have you ever wondered why so many traders are using Bybit? Even though regulations are tightening, security risks are rising, and dozens of new exchanges keep popping up every month, the surprising part is this. Despite the volatility of the crypto world, Bybit hasn't just survived. It's grown over 30% in users just this year. But here's the more important question. Is Bybit still the right choice for you, especially if you're new? Or are there hidden risks no one's really talking about? In this video, we'll break things down clearly. No fluff. All based on real data and real experience. One of the most common mistakes beginners make? Choosing a crypto exchange just because there's a welcome bonus? Or because some influencer is using it? But they forget to ask much more important questions. Is this exchange legal in my country? What happens if I lose access to my 2FA device? Can I really withdraw funds fast? Or will I get stuck in a never-ending support loop? That's why you need to watch this video. We'll explore what makes Bybit attractive, where its weaknesses lie, and how beginners can avoid costly mistakes. And at the end of the video, I'll give you a free checklist to help you trade safely and more effectively from day one. So, what is Bybit doing right in 2025? First, ultra-low trading fees. For major pairs like BTC USDT or ETH USDT, taker fees are just 0.06%, and maker fees are 0.01%. These are among the lowest fees in the market, especially attractive for scalpers or copy traders. Second, a major upgrade to its copy trading platform. In Q2 of this year, Bybit rolled out real-time slippage tracking, stop-loss filters, and a much more transparent leaderboard. If you're not confident enough to trade on your own, this is definitely worth trying. Third, a smooth, intuitive user interface. Bybit's UI is fast, responsive, and works seamlessly on both desktop and mobile. Whether you're a chart junkie or just need quick trade execution, Bybit has you covered. You can also switch easily between spot, derivatives, and grid bot trading. But before we get too excited, let's talk about some things no affiliate video ever mentions. First, Bybit is not available everywhere. If you're in the US, Quebec, Canada, or the UK, you'll need a VPN or other workaround. But using a VPN violates the terms of service and could get your account suspended at any time. Second, complicated KYC policies. Bybit lets you create an account and start trading without identity verification. But to withdraw large sums or convert to fiat, you must complete KYC. Many beginners skip this step and end up facing problems when they need to cash out. Third, derivatives products are too complex for beginners. Bybit offers leverage up to 100x. But just because you can use it doesn't mean you should. If you're new, stick to low leverage. Just 2x to 5x is enough. And avoid trading during high volatility events like CPI reports or FOMC meetings. Those are the easiest times to blow up your account. If you're just starting out, here are 3 practical tips to keep you safer. Enable 2FA and anti-phishing codes. Set these up before depositing any funds. It'll protect you from phishing emails and unauthorized logins. Use sub-accounts for practice. Bybit lets you create sub-accounts. You can simulate trades without touching your main balance. Keep a trade journal, whether it's an Excel sheet or a tool like CoinMarketMan. Log every trade, entry, exit, and why you took it. You'll learn faster and repeat fewer mistakes. Want a free trade journal template? Check the description. I've included a link for you. So, is Bybit still a good choice in 2025? The answer, yes, but it's not for everyone. If you're looking for low fees, copy trading, and flexibility across products, Bybit is a solid pick. But if you're living in a restricted country or only want to trade with fiat, you may want to consider alternatives like Kraken or OKX. If you're into high leverage, love altcoins, and want to explore advanced tools, Bybit is definitely worth exploring, as long as you're willing to learn and experiment. One final piece of advice. Don't treat crypto exchanges like banks. Treat them like tools. Long-term assets should be stored in a cold wallet, not left on exchanges. So, is Bybit right for you? Now that you know the pros, the cons, and how to get started smarter, the decision is yours. If this video helped you, hit that like button so YouTube can show it to more people like you. And if you want more honest, in-depth reviews from someone who actually trades, not just reads white papers, consider subscribing. Before you go, I have one last question for you. Have you ever made a mistake or had a fear when using a crypto exchange? Drop a comment below. I read every single one. And don't forget, you can download the free Bybit beginner checklist in the description. It might save you from a costly mistake before you even begin.